Wait. Hi, Sunshine. Hi, Sunshine. Welcome back to our channel, MADCURLS. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And I'm just here.
This is Adam, man.
There's going to be a lot of laughter, a lot of giggling. If you cannot take laughter and giggling, you might as well click out now because we just woke him up. He is not going for it, but yet here he is. Okay, so anyone who follows our channel and anyone who's at our lit lives met Wi-Fi Adam. You guys named him Wi-Fi Adam, but you met Wi-Fi Adam on me and Taylor's shared birthday on July 17th, and he was there. You guys loved him so much that you want to see more of him.
He is my brother, your son, for those of you who don't know who he is.
My son, your brother.
Yep, and
part of the fam.
He got the Wi-Fi name because before he showed up finally on our, that was like our 20th week going live. He showed up. Before then, whenever we would go live, the Wi-Fi would start acting up and our lives would start buffering and shutting down, and people were saying it was because he was on playing video games, and we were always like yelling, "Can you shut off the TV? Can you shut off this?"
Which had nothing to do with it.
Nevertheless. So they named him Wi-Fi Adam. So this is Wi-Fi Adam for those of you who know Wi-Fi Adam. This is him.
He's a master gamer.
Yes.
And he was not having it on Friday night. We were fussing and carrying on, and he was not shutting it down. So you guys were like, Adam, get off the Wi-Fi. And he did not.
I was busy.
So we literally had to move locations. We normally are in our filming room, which is so to speak.
We are.
And we literally had to go downstairs to the kitchen, and then we went down into the dining room. And So you guys, I don't know, you guys loved Adam's voice on our birthday live, and then you guys said he should be in animated movies and doing characters, and I don't know, he has some type of special voice y'all like, so that
you guys were like...
the second or third time I had heard that when you guys started making over it in the comments, because I had heard it in real life, on the ground, as they say, and people were like, wow, what a voice, what a voice. So you guys, you should let him do it. You guys were saying, let him do a voiceover.
Yep. So we filmed our typical MADCURLS wash and go, and Wi-Fi Adam, you all know we're chit-chatty on this channel. We chat through all of our reviews. We are silent this review, and Adam is going to be doing the voiceover, all the talking, all the instruction, all the everything.
He knows nothing. He doesn't know what a shampoo from a conditioner. He doesn't know a finisher from a hairspray. So, and we didn't want to school him because we thought it would be fake, because he has such a vivid vocabulary that we figured if he didn't know something, he would just reach back in his vocabulary and pull out something else that would fit the occasion. So we didn't want to tell him this is like a co-wash or this is like a this or that, because let him find his own words for it.
Yep. So
he's unfamiliar, absolutely unfamiliar with the natural hair community.
So if you would like to see Wi-Fi Adam here, my brother, her son, this very unique character here, do our MADCURLS wash and go voiceover, then please keep watching. Tell them to please keep watching.
You have to tell him. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Please keep watching.
I didn't sign up for this.
Okay.
Like I said, I really didn't sign up for this. They're introducing themselves. There's extra as ever. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure the common reason is they're MADCURLS. Of course, introducing products, yet I have no idea what any of this stuff does, but I assume I'm going to have to find out. Shower heads clearly mean do they have to apply this in the shower, out of the shower, before they go in, after they come out? Okay, they say, what? See, the hand motions, now I'm confused. Alright, first things first, water. I feel like if I don't do that, I'm going to get yelled at in the comments section, so you're welcome. Alright, they spray it in their hair. I assume it's to wet it to make the products easier to apply? I don't know. I'm new at this. I should have studied beforehand, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need a calculator to figure all this out. So they're straightening it out. Seems easy enough. God, if I had long hair, maybe I could do this with them, but nope. If only I was born with long hair. So they're clipping it on. Alright, they're applying one product. So, is it a conditioner? I still don't know the difference between... I know what a shampoo does, I just don't know what stuff like a conditioner does. Alright, and now what's this for? What's this do? Good God, it's going to take forever. What's this all do? I have no idea. If I sound like I'm barely talking, I'm extremely nervous doing this, if it wasn't obvious enough. Alright, so what, they have to apply this twice? I have no idea what the product does. Does it make the hair smoother? Does it make it shinier? Does it make it darker? I don't know. I barely put products in my hair to begin with. I ain't no expert on this. So what can I say? God, I feel like this is going on forever. And I ain't no expert. So who knows? Does hair care usually take this long? Or am I just a complete amateur at this? Because I got no clue. I thought this was like a 5-minute thing. What can I say? So wait, you spray the hair, apply the product, and then spray it again? I have no words. So I feel like this is... Geez, how many times are you going to apply it? And I assume it smells fantastic based on her facial expressions. And I wish I could smell it. But unfortunately, I don't know what the product is, nor where it is in here. But isn't that like the 3rd time you've applied? How many times are you going to apply it? Do you have to apply hair products this many times? What's it all for? It isn't too much of one thing a bad thing. But what do I know? And then you spray it again. Yes, thank you, mother. Geez, I can imagine at this point the hair is completely sodden with either products or water. And you have to let it dry. So what? It's like a... Oh, I see. It's a wash and go. It just... Okay, I see. Seems simple enough. You basically make it sodden with products and water at first, and then you let it... Oh, you let it dry. I see. But the amount of times you apply the product is up to debate, because good God, it's like the 5th time you've applied it. And no, this is my first time of me ever watching their content, so I don't know how they typically do it, but it's a tutorial, so I can imagine you're supposed to take it baby steps. I ought to watch the content more, even though it's completely out of my demographic. And now what's this for? You already sodden your hair with the other product. What could this possibly be for? Is it for the face? I wish it weren't silent. Is it for the skin? Yes? No? So you also put it in the hair. How many things you're going to have to put in your hair? Are you sure one won't cancel out the other? I'm pretty sure that's not how it works, but what do I know? So now they're clipping it on again. Is it about tying it in a bun? I'm lost here. You know, I'm supposed to be the voiceover for a tutorial, yet if the person introducing said tutorial is lost, then... I have no words. You have applied probably products in your hair, doesn't matter which type, at least 6 or 7 times. What's it for? Because I'm lost. I swear, I'm gonna be a rich millionaire. Because if I had a nickel for every time they put something in their hair in the last 5 minutes, I'd be a millionaire. Even though it's only been what, 8? Okay, 9. I still don't get it. Why? Why put it in your hair so many times? Okay. So I'm just going to assume the point is, well, for Tay, is to, what, tying up in a bun? Well, they keep doing this. Are they trying to straighten it out? But then again, her hair is actually turning pretty curly, even though it was curly to begin with. How many times are you going to apply the product? Did y'all usually apply it this much? If you do, say so down in the comments, because I'm just baffled. Maybe I should observe them more. I only use my shampoo once or twice in the shower, not like 10 times. But, once again, what do I know? Anyway, is this whole wash and go process supposed to be a process of the same two things? Either spray the product in your hair, or at least water, and then apply the product afterward, rinse and repeat, like 6 or 7 times. If it is, then see, the term wash and go to me seems like a really kind of, I don't really know how else to describe it. Wash and go. Sounds like a quick thing, then go. This doesn't seem quick. This seems time consuming. I will never again underestimate the power or the dedication to natural hair, or at least taking care of natural hair. And now they're bringing out another product. What's this for? What's this all do? I got no clue. So I assume this is for the hair that's near the scalp. Does that have something to do with the scalp? I forget what this part of the hair is called. It's not called the ends, because the ends are the ends of the hair. But the roots, that's it. So is it supposed to improve the strength of the roots so it doesn't fall out as easily? Alright. And now they're drying their hands because it's probably extremely moist with all them products. And now they brush it. I don't know what that facial expression was for, Tay. You've seen a brush before. Alright, so this is about brushing the roots. Alright. Tay, I'm pretty sure you can procure a brush of your own. I'm pretty sure you have a spare. Come on, you don't need to use your fingers. And now you're dry. In-depth tutorial for essentially 3 steps. I wonder how long y'all have to do it, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a jump cut at some point. And it's as simple as that. Even though that wasn't simple, that seemed very time consuming. What now? Y'all still got more? The hair looks fine. Good God. What could you possibly be doing at this point? Now I'm just lost. So I can only imagine the last 3 products you put in your hair could potentially strengthen it, bring out the color, or strengthen roots. What else is there to strengthen? Or bring out the color in? Now this just seems extra. I don't know, it's supposed to make it more curly, more outgoing? Beats me. I don't know what all these products do. And now you brush it again, but this one seems for more... Okay, it's more like a curl brush. Okay. I gotta ask, does this hurt? I can imagine fumbling with your hair like this on the daily. Does that mess hurt? You ever accidentally pull out a chunk of your hair ever doing this? I could just imagine screaming if I ever found just a giant hairball on my hand if I ever decide to brush it. And so all that just to get your hair super curly when you got to repeat the process more or less the exact same way 24 hours from now. If that wasn't an astute summary, then I don't know what is. We get it. You have curly hair. Oh my God. Bye.
Need to take our pictures?
We can take our pictures afterward.
Okay.
he looks presentable.
He does.
Okay, so let's hope. So we'll be on camera.
Right.
Okay, so
Or where's he sitting?
probably between us, right? Or maybe on the side. Maybe I'll scoot,
Does he have a chair?
I'll scoot close to you. Or maybe we'll have to stand.
Does he sit?
Oh,
We both
okay.
stand.
Oh,
Does he sit?
let me see how you look. We've never had to do it. We've never had to do it with 3 people.
All right. Does he sit? And we
He
both stand?
he can kind of like duck down, maybe like stand right here.
Because this is not the voiceover. This is just.
This is us introducing him. So sit, okay, hold on. Let me grab a
Why
chair.
do you have to introduce me to do a voiceover?
Because they don't know who you are.
Yeah, because people.
Do they have to know?
Well, some of them.
Yeah, because you're part of the
Excuse me, Addie. Addie, excuse
So,
me.
those that weren't on the live feed don't know who you are. Those that were do.
Okay. This should be okay. So sit right here. And since you're tall, we should be able to see your head.
Or is his hair combed out and all that? Does it look nice? Does he need some
You know, I
Nourish and
was
shine?
going. You know, I was going to bed.
Yeah, of course, honey. Of course. Does he need some Nourish and shine?
There's nothing on here. I'm just smoothing your eyebrows. Doesn't need Nourish and shine.
Y'all could have done that at any other point.
We had to do it when our hair looked good. Let me see. Make sure your face doesn't look crusty. All right, scoot your head in. There he is. Okay, and
With that miserable face that they all know and love.
we're like, we woke him up. Okay, I'm sorry. They let me see match. Okay.
They say yeah, because they know our crazy hours. And like, so Adam was not having it, but anyway. But with that said, he's here anyway.
With that said, it's a labor of love
Sure, I better get something out of this.
on the highest level. Okay, and so look at the camera. You have to keep your head this way. Like lean your head. Make sure you're like always in the frame.
Yeah.
So just stay in the frame. Oh God. Just make sure you're in the frame. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay. All right. So how this is gonna work is basically we're just gonna be like, you know, our usual intro. Hi, sometimes you back to our channel, MADCURLS. I'm TaylorAnne.
I'm LoriAnne.
And like in today's video,
That's Adam Ann.
Yes.
I'm Adam.
in today's video, we were doing the highly requested voiceover. Wi-Fi Adam does our voiceover, and then you can take it from there and introduce like who he is. Or maybe you can just start. I'll say I'm TaylorAnne, you're LoriAnne, and you can say and today. You can take this and do
Okay.
like the intro, what's going on, and you just try to look friendly here. Okay.
At this point, it's impossible. For
Okay,
me to look friendly.
Addie, try.
Okay.
Addie, try.
And don't look over there. You look cockeyed and crazy. So make sure you stare here. Where the
I'm tired.
Okay.
Okay,
But Adam,
okay.
this is going out there, so your friends will see. So try not to look insane. Like
Yeah, because
I'm pretty sure I'll give them the context if they see it. Say they woke me up at 10 o'clock at night. Of course, I'm gonna look frustrated.
Okay, but just try not to. Can you keep your head in the frame? This will go much quicker if you just cooperate. Okay.
I better get something out of it, so it'll go even faster.
It'll go much quicker for all parties concerned.
Okay. All right. Scoot your head in this way, and when I say lights, camera, action, just know the camera's rolling. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh, he's so white. He's pink. Okay.